Meanwhile, heavy rains continue to batter Noida, with the IMD forecasting more showers in the coming days. Several areas of Noida are waterlogged, with Yamuna's water levels crossing the danger mark. In low-lying areas, especially in regions where farms and huts have been inundated, forcing families to move to safer ground. Sector 135 is among the worst hit, where water from the swollen Yamuna has entered residential stretches and farmland. Authorities are on alert, monitoring the situation as the river crosses the danger mark. Residents say the flooding has caused major disruptions, from traffic jams to damaged crops, making daily life very difficult. For a closer look, let's in fact go across to my colleague Aparna Jha, who's reporting from the ground in Noida.
The fury of Yamuna is not only being felt in Delhi but across the entire NCR region as well. The location where I'm standing here right now is in Sector 128 Noida, and as you can see in the visual that this entire area is inundated after the Yamuna water level kept on rising in past few days. Now in the visuals you can see that all these farmhouses and resorts which were there, which were luxury farmhouse, they are now in droned state in the Yamuna water. Also, I would like to request my camera person to zoom on the farmhouse where only solar panel is visible. Now you can imagine the depth of the water here at this place, and also what we learnt here on the field is at some area even 20 feet water could be expected. Now when the Hathni Kund barrage water was released, from then only the Yamuna water kept on rising, and such situation has been framed. People have been evacuated from this area. Also now there is a minimal decline in the water level of Yamuna, and hence in few days relief can be expected. The fury of Yamuna is not only felt in Delhi but the entire NCR region. The location where I'm here right now is in Sector 135 Noida, and you can see that the entire area is inundated after the Yamuna's water rose rapidly in the past few days and crossed the danger mark. Now in the visuals you can see that these were the farmhouses that are completely drawn now, and with the help of a stick I would like to show the level of water. So this is such a huge stick, and when we put it inside the water, almost 2 to 3 feet of water can be seen here, and as we move further the water level continues to rise.